Annie B. from Science Museum, Oklahoma, and today I'm going to show you how to make a barometer to measure atmospheric pressure using items you can probably find around your own home. Atmospheric pressure is higher on sunny days, and it's lower on cloudy or stormy days. In Oklahoma, we know that thunderstorms can come on really quickly, and when this happens, it causes a sudden drop in air pressure. So what you're going to need for this activity is a glass jar, a pretty thick rubber band, or hair tie might also work. I'm going to use a rubber glove or a latex glove because I don't have any balloons, but a balloon will also work really well for this. Plastic drinking straw, some tape, scissors, and a lined piece of paper and some markers or pencils. So the first step, I'm going to take my jar and I'm going to stretch the wrist of this glove over the top of the jar, just like that. I'm going to take my rubber band and I'm going to secure it onto the jar, just like that. And I'm going to pull it tight so that there's no wrinkles or dimples in the top of the jar. I'm going to make it kind of like it's the top of a drum, just like that. I'm going to cut away the excess glove just to make it look a little cleaner, like that. Next step, I'm going to take my plastic drinking straw. I'm going to cut it at an angle about in half, just like that, so that it has a little point on the end. So this can act as a pointer to show us where the atmospheric pressure is that day. Just a little bit of tape. We're going to tape our pointer into the middle of our jar to where the end of the straw is in the center. Just like that. Now you can take your piece of paper and draw a sun at the top and a cloud at the bottom. You can use a ruler to mark some lines, or you can just use the lines of a lined piece of paper. Now you can set your jar on either side. Set it in the middle for the first time, and then you can measure each day the atmospheric pressure in your house. I'm Annie B, and I'm from Science Museum, Oklahoma.